Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So, scholars, today we'll study chapter number 13. And the name of the chapter is Handling Data. So, scholars, let's start with the chapter now. Scholars, there are many ways in which you can help at home. Like you can water the plants daily, or you can pack your own bag for school every night. But how can you check that you have not forgotten something? Can you think of other way to help around the house? Okay, let me tell you. A list. A list help us organize information about important things. Like, just see this picture carefully. Somu's mother has made a list of clothes she gave to the dhobi for ironing. When the dhobi returns the clothes, she takes Somu's help to check the list. While Somu calls out the items, she counts the cloth. Is it okay? So let's see whether this list is okay or not. So here's the list. Shirt 4. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shirt 4, correct. Let's see the next one. Pants 2. Okay, so let us see 1, 2. According to the list, there are 2 pants. That's correct. Now, according to this list, there should be 3 kurtas. So let's check. 1, 2, 3. It's correct. Now see the last one. Skirt. According to this list, there should be 2 skirt. Okay. 1, 2. That means all the clothes are here. So according to the list, all the clothes are here. Now, just see this list. This is a list of fruits for fruit salad. Check the list with the fruit in the bowl. Is everything there or is something missing? So, let's check out this list. According to this list, there should be 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. Okay. Now, there should be 2 apples. 1, 2. It's correct. Okay. There should be 1 pear. Okay, that's also correct. Now, according to this list, there should be 2 bananas. Okay, 2 are there. Now, according to this list, there should be 1 bunch of grapes. But I can't see the bunch of grapes in this bowl. That means it is missing. So, this is the way how we can find out through a list, by making a list whether everything is okay or not. So, a list helps us organize information about important things. So, scholars, you can also make lists. Just see this. You can try this. Make a list of all the important things you must have in your school bag every day. Use the list to check your bag before you leave for school daily. This will help you to find out whether the important things which you want in your bag are there or not. Okay, scholars. Now, to make this more clear to you, let's move on to the next page. More about list. Now, see this picture carefully. Somu has cleaned his cupboard and kept everything neatly. Make a list of all the things in his cupboard. So, this is Somu's cupboard. See how neatly it is kept. It is arranged. Okay, and here's the list. On one side, all the things are here, and other side we have to mention the numbers, how many are there. So let's make the list. Okay, first we have to find out how many books are there in the cupboard. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 books are here. So we can write it here in the space provided. 1, 4, 14. Okay. In the same manner, now we have to count number of cars, that is toy car kept in the cupboard. So it is clearly visible. 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. So we can write 3 here. Now, next is we have to count how many footballs are kept in the cupboard. So only one football is here. So we can write 1. Yes. Okay. Next is we have to count how many board games are there. Okay. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 board games. So we have to write it in the space that is provided in the list. 4 board games. And the last one is bat. So how many bat you can see in the cupboard? Only 1. So we have to write it here. So see, we have made the list of all the items that are kept in Somu's cupboard. Okay, now see what they are saying. Use the list to answer the following questions. Okay, so they are asking, first question is, how many more board games than footballs does Somu have? Okay, so he is having 4 board games and only 1 football. So how many more board games he is having than football? 3 more. So we can write here 3 more. M-O-R-E. Because he is having 4 board games and only 1 football. Okay, let's see the next question now. How many things in all does Somu have in his cupboard? Okay, so here we need to count all the things he is having in his cupboard. So that's why we made the list. It will make counting easier. 14 books are there, 3 toy car, 1 football, 4 board games, 1 bat. That means total 23 things are there in his cupboard. So we can write here 23 things. N-G-S, 23 things. Okay, now they are asking how many less cars than book does Somu have? How many less cars than books? Okay, so he is having only 3 car and books, so he is having 14. So we need to minus it. 14 minus 3 is 11. So he is having 11 cars less. Okay, we can write here 11 car less than books. This much only we are going to write. I hope you all understood this. First we had made the list and then whatever questions being asked, we have to answer them. Okay, now we'll move on to the exercise. Exercise 13A. Okay, let's read out the question first. Shaji helps at home by brushing his pet dog daily. The list below shows the amount of time in minutes he spent doing that for a whole week. Study the list and answer the questions. So, scholars, these all the times are in minutes. Like, he spent 15 minutes on Monday, 10 minutes on Tuesday, 12 minutes on Wednesday, 10 minutes on Thursday, 13 minutes on Friday, 20 minutes on Saturday, and only 9 minutes on Sunday. So now let's see what they are asking. Okay, so first question is, on which day did Shaji spend the most amount of time brushing his dog? So just see this list carefully and tell me on which day he spent the most amount of time. So it is Saturday because he spent full 20 minutes on Saturday. So we can write here Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Okay. In the same manner, now let's read out the second question. On which day did he spend the least amount of time brushing his dog? So on which day he spent the least amount? Yes, it is Sunday. He spent only 9 minutes on Sunday. So we can write here Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Okay. Third question is, on which 2 days did Shaji spend the same amount of time on the job? Okay. So which are the 2 days on which Shaji spent the same amount of time? It's Tuesday and Thursday. Both the days he spent 10 minutes. So we can write here Tuesday and Thursday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday and Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Now let's see the last question that is asked. How much more time did Shaji spend brushing the dog on Monday than on Wednesday? Okay, so on Monday spent 15 minutes and Wednesday 12 minutes. That means 3 minutes more. So we can write here, how much more time did Shaji spend brushing the dog on Monday than on Wednesday? 3 minutes more. Because these time are given in minutes. M-I-N-U 3 minutes more. Okay, scholars? So this is the way how we can make a list, and then whatever questions is being asked, just see the list carefully and answer them. Now, I would like you all to try this question as homework. Let me tell you what you have to do in this question. Do this with a friend. Take turns to count while hopping on one leg as long as possible. And write down the score in the table below. See this table. Here you can write your, and here you can write your friends, about your friend. Okay, on which turn was your score the best? You can write it in the list. On which turn was your friend score the best? That you can mention in the given list. And did you and your friend get the same score on any turn? You can mention in the list given here. Understood? So this will be your homework. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 13. I hope you all enjoyed this chapter. The worksheet related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.